Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, Filters, Part 6. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the state variable filter. The state variable filter is a rather interesting filter. Acting as a band splitter, this node only has one input, but you'll notice that it has 4 audio outputs, giving us access to the low pass, high pass, band pass, and band stop frequencies individually. On the input side, aside from the audio input, the first input we have is the cutoff frequency. Because we're splitting the bands out, you can think of this as your crossover point. The next input we have is the resonance input. This input allows you to control the harmonic frequency attenuation inside the roll-off section of your selected cutoff frequency. The last input we have is the band stop control. This input only accepts float values between 0 and 1 and controls where the notch or band stop falls in your audio signal. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.